Okay, this is the homework help video for Thursday, January 5th, 2012. This is for my pre-AP classes, this problem. Now, also look at the other homework help video if you're having any trouble with measuring angles with a protractor or finding complementary angles, supplementary angles. The problem I do in the other video is also on your homework, on the second page of your homework. So that both videos will help you out tonight. This one is the Andre's kite problem. It says the directions that came with the kite pattern that Andre ordered on the internet said to cut out 2 supplementary angles so that the measure of one is twice the measure of the other. How many degrees are in each angle? Justify your answer. So first thing we need to remember is what supplementary angles are. And you know from class today that supplementary angles are a pair of angles whose angle measurements add up to 180 degrees. And if you have any trouble remembering that, just remember that a straight angle equals 180 degrees. And they both start with S. Complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. You just have to keep those two straight. Complementary is 90 degrees, supplementary is 180. And supplementary starts with S, just like a straight angle. Okay, so we need 2 angles that add up to 180 degrees, but one is twice the measure of the other. So we have a smaller angle and a larger angle, and this angle X and this angle Y. 2X equals Y. You have to try different angle measurements until you figure out which one works. We can actually use this is algebra you haven't seen before, but I'll show you the algebra way after we use the guess and check method. If I use guess and check and I just try different angles, like for example, let's say I say the smaller angle is 40. What must the larger angle be? Well, they add up to 180, so it must be 140. Now, does this meet the requirement that the larger angle is twice the smaller angle? No, because this would have to be 80. So you try another angle. Let's say that this angle is 50. This would have to be 130. Is 130 2 times 50? No. You just try different ones if you're using guess and check. If this is 60, this would have to be 120 to add up to 180. Is the larger angle twice as much as the smaller angle now? Yes, it is. So the angles are 60 degrees and 120 degrees. But, you know, we can use this. Let me give you a little preview of what you're going to be doing in algebra. If you know that the larger angle equals twice the smaller angle, then you can just substitute this in for the larger angle in this other equation, where you know x plus y equals 180 degrees. So x plus, instead of y, now I'm going to write 2x. X plus 2x equals 180. If you have 1x plus 2x's, that's 3x equals 180. And you know what to do from here. You divide both sides by 3 like we've been doing, and x would equal 60. Then if you know x equals 60, 60 plus y equals 180. You can solve for y and figure out that y is 120. So that gives you an idea of the guess and check way of doing it and the systems of equations way of doing it. And like I said, if you're having any trouble with the rest of the homework, the second page of the homework, the protractor problem at the bottom of the page, that's done in the other video. So take a look at that video also. Okay, I hope that helps, and I'll see you in the morning.